Hi, I'm Alan from Businesses to Start on a Shoestring. Join me as I take on the challenge of optimizing my online presence from scratch using SEO techniques. Can I make it to the top of the search results? Search engine optimization, or SEO, it's a term that gets thrown around a lot, but what does it actually mean and why is it so important for your online presence? In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for businesses and individuals alike. It's the difference between being visible and invisible, between being found and being forgotten, and that's where SEO comes in. It's the key to unlocking your online potential. Many businesses struggle to get noticed in search engines, and it's not hard to see why. With so much competition out there, it can be tough to stand out from the crowd, but the truth is, most businesses overlook the importance of online presence optimization. They focus on creating a slick website, producing high quality content, and engaging with their audience on social media, all of which are important. But don't get me wrong, but without a solid SEO strategy, all that hard work can fall flat. Imagine you're a coffee shop owner. You've just launched a new website to showcase your business. You've got beautiful images, a detailed menu, and a blog to share your expertise. But when people search for coffee shops near me, your website doesn't show up on the first page of Google. Why not? It's because your website isn't optimized for search engines. You're missing out on potential customers and your business is suffering as a result. It's a common problem, and it's not just limited to small businesses. Even big corporations struggle with SEO, but the good news is that it's not rocket science. With the right strategy and tools, you can improve your online visibility and start driving more traffic to your website. So what exactly is SEO? It's a combination of techniques that help search engines understand what your website is about and how it can help users. There are three main components to SEO. Number one is keyword research, on-page optimization, secondly, and link building. Keyword research is all about identifying the words and phrases your target audience is searching for. On-page optimization involves optimizing your website's content, meta tags, and structure to make it search engine friendly. And link building is about getting other reputable websites to link back to your site, which helps to build authority and trust. Keyword research is a crucial step in the SEO process. It helps you to understand what your target audience is searching for and how you can create content that resonates with them. By identifying relevant keywords and phrases, you can optimize your website's content to rank higher in search engines. And it's not just about ranking higher, it's about providing value to your audience. On-page optimization is all about making your website search engine friendly. This involves optimizing your website's title tags, main description, header tags, and content to make it easy for search engines to understand what your website is about. It's like creating a map for search engines to follow so they can accurately index your website and show it to all users. Link building is one of the most important components of SEO. It's about getting other reputable websites to link back to your site, which helps to build authority and trust. Think of it like a vote of confidence when other websites link to your site. They're saying, hey, this website is trustworthy and valuable. But here's the thing, SEO isn't just about technical optimization, it's all about creating a great user experience. Search engines want to provide users with the best possible results. So if your website is slow, clunky, or hard to navigate, it's going to hurt your SEO efforts. That's why mobile optimization is so important. With more and more users accessing the internet on their mobile devices, you need to make sure that your website is optimized for mobile. One key insight that can significantly enhance SEO efforts is the importance of user experience. Search engines are getting smarter and they can tell when a website is providing a great user experience. By focusing on creating a fast, secure, and mobile-friendly website, you can improve your SEO efforts and drive more traffic to your site. In summary, SEO is a crucial component of online presence optimization. By understanding the importance of SEO, overcoming common challenges, and implementing effective SEO strategies, you can improve your online visibility and drive more traffic to your website. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've learned something new today. If you had any experience with SEO, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about advanced SEO techniques, be sure to check out our next video. Cheers for now.